Hi, I'm Ryan with Ryan Homes. I'm here at Charlotte Beach Park, located just minutes from our brand new community, Westport, Port Charlotte's first master plan community. Let's check out the area. You're gonna love it here. Unspoiled and free from crowds, the area is home to over 70 parks and preserves, a haven for nature lovers, anglers, water sports enthusiasts, and beachgoers. I'm here at Charlotte Beach Park, where you'll find a beach club with a boat ramp, a fishing pier, pool, and sporting activities like volleyball and horseshoes. The perfect spot for a day of family fun. One of our favorite spots is Fisherman's Village, where you can enjoy waterfront shopping, dining, and entertainment. Check out the Village Brew House, a casual spot overlooking the beautiful Charlotte Harbor that serves up fresh seafood and spectacular sunsets. There's also a robust year-round event calendar here, where you can enjoy music festivals, car shows, holiday fireworks, and more. Check out Boca Grande Beach, set on the southern tip of Gasparilla Island, the perfect spot for swimming, shelling, or simply relaxing. Or head over to Minnesota Key and check out some of the area's most serene and secluded spots, like Inglewood or Blind Pass beaches. Perfect spots to enjoy the Florida sunshine with your toes in the sand. Port Charlotte sits just next to Punta Gorda, located between Sarasota and Fort Myers. The area is home to great schools, world-class medical facilities, over 20 golf courses, and some of the area's best shopping, dining, and entertainment. You'll love easy access to local events, outdoor activities, and so much more. There's so much to do here. Looking for some family fun? Check out Centennial Park, a 103-acre indoor-outdoor sports park, featuring a multi-purpose gymnasium where you can play basketball, pickleball, or volleyball, a fitness center, and even an event space for large gatherings. Start imagining life here. You're gonna love it.